So I'll be showing you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone 15. I have the Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So what you want to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll and tap on wallpaper. And then here you'll see your current wallpaper for the lock screen and for the home screen. This is the one I'm using right now and it says current. And then if you scroll right or left, you can also see others that you previously used, other home screen and lock screen wallpaper combos that you've used before. So to change your wallpaper, simply tap on the lock screen, and then you can change from different colors of the same style. If you don't like those, you can go back. In fact, let me cancel that and then tap on add new wallpaper. And then this opens the wallpaper gallery where you can select a different wallpaper that you want to add. You have these suggested photos. You have wallpapers in different categories. You have this weather and astronomy wallpapers. So many wallpapers that you can have a look at. Maybe tap on and see what it looks like. If you don't like it, just tap on cancel to go back. Try another one. If you don't like it, cancel, and you can do this with all these wallpapers. Now also at the top here, you have the option to create emoji wallpapers. You can go into your photo gallery, just tap on photos, go to all. You can see all your photos in the gallery, and you can use any of these to create a wallpaper for your lock screen. So let's say for instance I want to use these flowers for my lock screen wallpaper. I can do that, or I can use this photo, or I can use emojis for my wallpaper. You can do whatever you want with this, really. Okay, and once you choose the wallpaper you like, let me choose this one. Once you choose a wallpaper like that, simply tap on add in the top right corner. It's going to ask if you want to set this wallpaper for both the lock screen and the app screen and the home screen. You can choose to set as wallpaper pair, or just tap on customize home screen and then have a different wallpaper for the home screen if you want to. Okay, and then tap on done. That's going to be added to your gallery of wallpapers. So now you can see we have a new wallpaper for the home screen and also for the lock screen. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.